Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on Fraction Pictionary, the game that combines understanding and recognizing fractions with drawing. In this game, the goal is to have your teammates guess the fraction and the symmetrical object that you are drawing. It's an extremely fun game and uses a familiar setting to connect students with fractions in a fast-paced atmosphere. One of the best things about this game is that it emphasizes a visual understanding of fractions using a large variety of objects. This is particularly valuable as it steers students away from thinking that visual fractions are all portions of circles, squares or rectangles. You can adjust the timing of the rounds to match the skills level of your students. And by varying the objects and fractions on the game cards, this game can be used as an introduction to help students think about new fractions, and as a review to help students quickly think about fractions they already know. The game is played in teams of 3 or 4 students. Each team plays against the other teams in the class. Each team has a drawer, guessers, and a scorekeeper. The drawer chooses a game card which states a fraction and an object. Without using any words, letters, numbers or fractions bars, the drawer draws the object and divides it into the correct number of equal parts. The other members of the team will be the guessers. They try to guess the object and the fraction as the drawer is drawing. Once the team determines the object, they shout out guesses about the fraction. The team earns 2 points if they guess the object and the fraction correctly. 1 point if they only guess one correctly. The role of drawer and scorekeeper rotates after each round. When the students have used all of their cards or the time for the game is up, the scorecards are completed, and a winning team is announced. Fraction Pictionary emphasizes skills such as dividing a whole into parts, recognizing parts of a whole, and recognizing the denominator versus the numerator of a fraction. This game is a great formative assessment tool as it allows students to review what they have learned while playing the game. As an extension, you can also use mixed numbers and improper fractions, or even have students make up their own card sets to challenge other teams. Thanks for watching, and happy playing!